Welcome to Angel's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share a quick, easy and simple lemon chicken recipe with you all. You can cook this as a starter or you can cook this also as a main course and serve this along with rice, naan and roti. So let's begin with this. Just note down the ingredients. Let's begin by adding butter into the wok. We are going to heat the butter till it melts. Slit the green chili and add it into the butter. Just saute it for 10 to 20 seconds. Now add ginger garlic paste. Here I have used ready-made ginger garlic paste which is easily available in the market. You can just make the paste of ginger and garlic at home also. Saute this for 2 minutes on low flame until the butter separates. After 2 minutes, add diced chicken into the ginger garlic paste. Always prefer using chicken thigh because it is more tender. If you will opt for a chicken breast, it will become little chewy. Prefer adding little salt because we are already using the salted butter. So you can always add it later if you feel if it's less. Now I'm going to cover this and cook it for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we are going to uncover this and we are going to cook this for another 2 minutes on high flame. Keep stirring in between. I'm going to add milk into it. Here I have used 3/4 cup of milk because I am preparing this as a main course. But if you are cooking this for a starter, so you can add little less milk, around half cup of milk you can add. Once we have added the milk, we are going to stir this continuously. This is a very important step. We are going to stir this without any fail for around 1 to 2 minutes. If we will stop in between, the milk will start curdling and that's what we don't want. So keep stirring continuously. Now after 2 minutes, we are going to let it simmer on medium flame for another 1 to 2 minutes. Now after 2 minutes, turn off the flame and I'm going to squeeze the fresh lemon juice into this. Here I've used 1 whole lemon. Mix it well and our lemon chicken is ready to be served. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do try it at home. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel Angel's Kitchen on YouTube. Bye bye.